How to stop Chrome from blocking downloads? To do that, the very first thing that you should do is open Google Chrome on your phone. After opening the Google Chrome on your phone, you will display screen like this. And here, you can see on the top right corner, there are 3 vertical dots. And when you click on it, click on the settings option and just search down. And here, you can click on privacy and security. And here, click on security of safe browsing. Clicking on this option, now you can just make the option for no protection not recommended and turn it off. After you do this, your Google Chrome will not detect any protection and will let you download any of the videos or anything that you want to download it. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, then please do subscribe our channel.